Having quarter tank issues on your diesel pickup? Installing a big end diesel sump will cure your headaches. Quarter tank issues occur when the level of fuel in your truck is at a quarter tank or less, causing the factory pump to suck air. A benefit to installing this fuel sump is that it easily installs in the factory tank or aftermarket Titan fuel tank. The sump installs at the bottom of your tank and causes less stress on your pump as gravity is working in favor versus trying to draw vertically. The big end sump is an add-on must with any aftermarket lift pump that Meyer sells. These are just a few of the features and benefits. Try yours today.